Sir, good evening to each and everyone, sir. Can you hear my voice clearly, sir? Type yes, sir. Audio and video, okay? So, everyone available, sir. You have water bottle and pen and notebook. Okay, sir. This 1 hour session, you have to utilize, at least you understand one concept. So, one concept, it's very useful too, because you can recall anytime. So, I am doing like that only. Okay, sir. First of all, we have to start with 1 minute prayer. You take your right hand, put on your heart, just close your eyes. You have to do normal breathing. You observe the breathing and why you are here. Just you have observed. So normal breath is slow breathing. If first day observing, you feel different. Okay, sir. Open your eyes and switch on your camera. Switch on your camera, sir. Okay, I will share the screen. First of all, we start with something you have to change identity. The identity is very important. So today is your day. Today is your day. God is always with me. I am a winner. I am the best. You always say you are the best. I can do it. You can do it. And you ask the God for flowers, but he gave me rain. When you ask something, you are asking something, one thing, opportunity always available in the world. So you can get it anything. So this affirmation, I am a confident and capable energy auditor, energy leader. Every day I grow in knowledge, take action and make a difference in the world. I am committed to sustainability, success and creating the better future. So you are not waiting for any opportunity. You are creating the opportunity. Every day you break your comfort. You have to rewrite your pattern. You are the leader. You have to lead. You are not a follower. You appreciate each and everyone. You connect with the people, right community. You have to build the community. You have to commit. You have to help each other grow. And you have to teach others also. You have to stay accountable. This is not a choice. This is your standard. This is your standard. You see, you are not a preparation. You are not in the preparation. You are a participant. It's a participant. You are in the field. So you are in the field. Okay, sir. Just I need information from you, sir. How many people attend the before session, sir? Any session, training session, did you attend? Yes. Type yes, sir. So my student also available. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. So today concept is a very simple concept. You can easily understand the simple concept. Yes, thank you, Sandrahan, sir. Okay, sir. So today concept, what is the main concept? Always we are stuck in some concept. Which one concept is always stuck? Wait. 1 second. Okay, can you see the screen, sir? Can you see the screen? Type yes. So how many people working in thermal power plant? The one you are working in thermal power plant? Anyone working in thermal power plant, sir? Type yes or no. What is the efficiency of thermal power plant? What is the efficiency of thermal power plant? Anyone know about the thermal power plant? Yes, super. Okay, really great. Yes, 30 to 40%, dependent. Okay. Why? What is the reason? So maximum 70% losses. What is the reason, sir? Just type it. Any idea? And where is the opportunity available? Where is the opportunity? This is a thermal power plant. I also this is also thermal power plant. You can easily understand. So it's a for 50 or 100 years before we building the thermal power station. It's very complicated. We are building, so create the power generators, everything done. But same thing we are continuously we are using everything update. Every year update. Now every second is update. Every second also updating. Every equipment is a disrupt. This is called disrupt means we are they're finding new material from the scientists, whatever they're doing, different material they find out. Compared with the 100 years before and now, is a every disrupt happening every second. Every second happening. So what are the opportunity available? 70% losses available. How to reduce losses? Any idea? Just type it yes or no, sir. This is, you can understand where is the opportunity available. This is not a calculation. So we are not simply teaching the whatever the concept. We are teaching the beyond the certification. Once you understand that everything, then automatically you do the calculation in a simple way. Yes, this is a boiler. So anyone see that boiler? So before type yes or no quickly. We will complete within 20 minutes. Yes, exist. Yes. So this is a boiler. This is a boiler. No? This is a boiler. The boiler efficiency. What is the boiler efficiency? Okay, sir. Boiler efficiency. So boiler efficiency very good. Maximum 75 to 85, like that. 75 to 85. I will depend on the age, depend on the boiler, what are the type available, the fuel, what are the fuel available, depend on that one, it's efficiency. So boiler, what are the input we are giving? Types of fuel. In boiler, what is the types of fuel we are using? Boiler, solid or liquid? Solid or liquid? So solid means coal, like that. Liquid means fur and soil. We are using for fuel. For fuel, this is a fuel. How it will burn? How it will burn? Boiler. Any idea? How it will burn? Any idea? So this is a boiler. So this is a boiler. This is a box. So what are the input here? You need to give fuel. Must. The fuel is very important, mandatory. Yes, with the air. So you have to give the air. Air also mandatory. Then once you say that air, what will happening? What is the output coming? What are the output come? Steam and flue gas. Steam and flue gas. So flue gas, this is steam. So what is the other input? Any other input? We need to give the feed water. Water very important. Feed water. Water, what will happening? If half of the drum water available, half of the drum water available, it will convert to the steam. If you see that this one, box level, this is a boiler. This is a boiler. This is a boiler, whole tube available. It's a drum. Here is a drum available, water available, steam converting, going on, rotating. It's a burner. Here is a everything you're using the premier fan they are using for air. This air free heater. Everything they are using. If you see this one, maybe you get confused because of it's a complicated. Then I draw the diagram. You can easily understand. So you have to understand main important point. Main important point. So boil, what you do it is convert the water into steam. Simple concept. It's need fuel and air. The boiler, what is the work done? Any idea? What is the work done? For example, this is a resistance. This is a resistance. I will send the current. Okay, for electrical. It is a resistor load. What is the work done? Any idea? What is the work done, sir? Here. What is the potential? This is a potential difference. 1 point. Second point. This is a delta V. Potential difference. Everyone clear? The potential difference. Same like that. Steam. Here is a steam generation. Here is a water. This is a liquid. This is a gas. It's a converting liquid to gas. Here in boiler, work done. Something work done. Work done or not? Type S. This work done is a delta H. Delta H. This is a work done. Suppose liquid is a 85 degrees Celsius. So 85 degrees Celsius means what is the enthalpy? Feed water enthalpy. You know 85 kcal per kg. Okay, kcal per kg. What is steam? For example, steam is a H equal to 665. Some other some standards, not a standard. This one, it's a maximum they are using as per the steam table with respect to the pressure. It's a enthalpy change. I take randomly. Okay, kcal is not a standard. Kg. What is the work done? Any idea? Quickly tell me the value. What is the value? What is the value? Everyone have the pen, or at least you have the simple calculation. What is the delta H? What is delta H? This delta H work done is a H, so capital H minus HF. Tell me the value quickly. Okay, 665 minus 85. Okay, 580. 580 with the unit here very important kcal per kg. It's a potential difference across. So it is a potential difference. It's a what is the formula for electrical formula? Power equal to VI cos phi. VI cos phi. So VI cos phi is depend on the load, the power factor change. Something angle. We compare with V and I have some angle difference, that is a power factor. Same fundamental we are using here also. So power, the same concept, there is no difference. So what is the work done? Total energy generating, how to calculate? Thermal energy. What is the thermal? Here is steam generating. Na? The steam generate, what is the thermal energy? What is the thermal energy? Any idea what is thermal energy? So in steam, what are the parameters available in steam? In steam, what are the parameters available? So this is a boiler. This is steam. So what are the parameters available in steam? So what are the water? Same, this is a water. What are the parameters available here? The quantity very important, kg per hour flow. So water, same your pipeline. If suppose you some simple example, you have the cooker. This is a pressure cooker. Simple imagine is the cooker have input water, output side another one available for steam generation. Bottom side just imagine it's a cooker. Same like this is a cooker. You feel is a cooker. So for example, this is a water pipeline available. Input, water pipeline input. Here is a stove. This is going for steam, converting. Same simple example, this is a liquid, this is a gas. So quantity very important. Whatever the quantity coming, the quantity Q is a quantity. What is the unit? kg per hour flowing. So how to convert the energy? How to convert the energy? Any idea? Thermal energy. How to convert the energy? Steam, thermal energy. Boiler output energy. That is a boiler output energy. Boiler output energy. How to calculate? Here is a quantity, is a kg per hour. So simple example, you are the 100 kg, the weight is your 100 kg, you are lifting 80 kgs, 85 kg, 85 kg. Then how much energy you are given? How much energy you have to give for lifting this material? Something energy work done. For kg, you have to spend at least for 2 kcal per kg. Then total how much energy you have spent for lifting 85 kg. For example, this is a material. This you are the person. You are the person. This is 85 kg. Say 85 kg. This is a person. So you have to lift this material. You have to lift the person. So it's a static material. You have to lift something movement. So you have to spend the energy here, E. Per kg, how much energy you have to spend? 85 into, for example, 2 kg, 2 kcal per kg. Then how much coming? 85 into 2, 160, 170 kcal you have to spend for lifting the 85 kg. Same concept. The boiler is converted to the steam, the quantity, something 10 ton, the 10 ton per hour. Steam. Okay, here feed water temperature is a 85 kcal. So this is a H is 665. So how much output energy? It's a very important formula. Output energy Q into H minus HF. So 10 ton per hour means 10 ton into 10 power 3 is very important. Kg per hour. Why kg per hour? It's a continuous flow. It's not static. H 665 minus 85. So you have to calculate kcal per kg. The kg cancel. Then final what will available? What is available? Final kg cancel. Then kcal per hour. So total output energy. Total output energy. What is input energy? You have to find the efficiency. What is efficiency formula? What is efficiency formula? Boiler efficiency formula. Output. This is a direct method. Output divided by input into 100. So what is output? What is output? Type quickly. Everyone have that notebook, sir? Quickly type it. What is output, sir? What is output? The same simple concept. You have to imagine a cooker. You have in your home cooker available. You are feeding the water through the bottom line. Top line flowing the gas. So top line is the output. So input something energy always available for 85 kcal. So you have to minus that one. So 60 because of you are giving the fuel input increasing 85 degree. That means 85 kcal to 665 kcal. Then here is a difference. Very, very important. This is a line. So this is a line. You need to, whatever you have to draw the diagram. This is water 0 degree, but feed water increasing 85 kcal. Now you increasing here is a H equal to 665. So what is a delta H? This is a line. This is a temperature difference. That means enthalpy difference. Energy. This is called delta H. Same thing you have to use this output. What is input? What is input you are giving? What is input you are giving? Input, what is input? So what is the unit coming? This is also same kcalorie per hour. What is input unit? Kcalorie per hour. This is also same thing, kcalorie per hour. What is input? Fuel. Fuel energy. How to calculate fuel energy? Fuel quantity, kg per hour, into how much gross caloric value or net caloric value. This is also kcalorie per kg. Kcalorie. Whatever fuel you are using for oil or coal, so number of, this means per hour, this unit very important. This is also per hour, this is also per hour. So Q is a fuel quantity. Suppose you are giving for 10 ton, for example, so or 5 ton. So 10 ton, just for 10 ton, 10 power 3 into cross caloric value, something is a 3000 kcalorie. Clear? 3000 kcalorie per kg. This is a kg per hour. Then what will happening? Well, simply we will keep it 2 ton. We keep it 2 ton. So 3 ton we kept 3 ton, and this is 400. The 400. How much coming? Kg per hour cancel. So kg cancel. Remaining what will kcalorie? You multiply 3000 into 4000. So kcalorie per hour. This is energy, input energy. What is our efficiency? Output energy divided by input energy. This is simple calculation. It's a direct method. From this, we are calculating different pattern. This you are understand. This is simple calculation, but you are calculating different pattern. So what are the different pattern available? This is one of the direct method you understand quickly. How many people understand? Type yes or no, because you are active or not. So I'm always very clear. If I'm going to teach people, so listen and reply, then I will continue. Otherwise, there is no use. No, don't waste our time also. So I am always clear this one. Because I have limited people, so I have to connect with limited people. Whenever I take the people, they have to respond. So always I follow 3 things. So your triple R, always I follow. Whatever person I connect, I have student 3 years to 45 years experience. The people, the one thing they're following, the response, respect, responsibility. These 3 things, they become the quality of leader. So they become the quality of leader. Otherwise, what will happening? So whatever I am teaching, you are missing. End of the day, you are spending the time. Same you are using for social media. Whatever thing coming, same, just observing. Because here coming for mainly focus on how I am teaching, every content, how is going on, how you understand for long term. The main thing you have to understand. So you already know about the energy auditor certification. Why you are connected here, how I am teaching, what are the method I am following. So this method, how it will help for you. How will it help for you? To remember long term, very important. From this is a, can you type it? Is it possible to remember this concept long time? Type yes or no. Quickly, sir. So whatever thing, everything I connected with people. So I ask the review from the people. I connect with the people strongly, then only prepare. So type yes, you connect. So it is you can remember long time. You can remember long time. But it's a speed is very important. Speed. It is a relaxed time. You understand all the concepts. Same concept, you can do the calculation. Same concept, you can do the calculation. Everyone clear? The simple concept is a simple one. You can understand the boiler efficiency. Okay, boiler efficiency. It's a direct, whatever thing. So what are the opportunity available? What are the opportunity available? Saving the fuel. It's very important. Fuel. Fuel energy we need to save now. What are the opportunity available? Fuel saving. we need to, what is the main focus? As an energy auditor, we have to save the fuel consumed, input energy, without affecting the production, without affecting, very, very important. So what are the opportunity available? This is, we have to go through it. So how to go through it? What are the opportunity available, sir? So air, very important, we are giving the fuel and air. So suppose air is at 30 degrees Celsius. So you have to spend fuel for heating that air. So I draw the diagram. It's a very important 10 mark. The simple concept, the first time I explained with you, only I connect with my community, only I teach you. This is a fuel, this is a air, okay? The air is a 30 degrees Celsius. The fuel is a case one. Case one, this is a boiler. The case two, next one, the case two, same boiler, fuel, air, this is a 90 degrees Celsius. 90 degrees Celsius. Suppose I am using, for example, 100 kg per hour. Here, how much fuel? Is more than 100 kg, case 2. The case 2, fuel is a same, it's an option. You have to understand option. Option for case 2. Fuel A, I give the name is a fuel B, fuel A, 1, option 1 equal to fuel B greater than fuel A quantity. Second option, fuel B less than fuel A, the quantity of fuel. Third one, fuel B equal to fuel A. Which one option correct? The first case, air is 30 degrees Celsius. Second case, 90 degrees Celsius. Type your answer. Type your answer. Type your answer quickly. Same your cooker. So for best example, so before we are using that long before, we are boiling the water, then we put it the rice that cook very quickly. Very quickly. Same concept. So air is a 30 degree. So case to 90 degree. Increase the how much? 60 degree increase. Fuel quantity. I give the 100 kg per hour, case 1. I'm asking not exact quantity. What is the option? Option 1. Okay. Option 1. Option 2. Okay. Santosh. Okay. So 1, 2, 1. Okay. Are you understand clearly? I am giving the 100 kg fuel. This fuel utilized for air also increase the temperature 32 for something 90 degrees Celsius. But here the case already air is a 90 degrees Celsius. Then fuel quantity reduce. Case 2 is a very, very important. This is option 2. Any doubt? Because of fuel energy need, okay, to increase the air temperature 30 to 90 degrees Celsius. Then you have to spend the extra fuel also. No? But here the case, already air 90 degree. So you can reduce the fuel. So how it is possible? What are the options available? Any idea? What are the options available? What are the options available? Okay, steam output always common. You keep it. Steam output, this output is always common. What are the options available? Steam output without affecting the steam. Yes, air free getter. Everyone appreciate. So second case, it's a flue gas going on. Flue gas. I use the air free heater. Here air is coming. This is I used. Here 30 degree, here is a increase in 90 degrees Celsius, air free heater. Then what will happening? Output not affect, na? Output common. Are you understand? Output common. Output, what is output common? Steam energy. Now you have to compare which boiler, case 1 boiler efficiency very high or case 2 boiler efficiency very high? Case 1. So output, it's always common. Same, na? Output A, output B. Both are same or different? Both cases. Steam as there is no change. So output, this is and this is common. Output A equal to output B, the common. What is one? Which one is a change? Which one is a change? Which one is type quickly? Efficiency, which one is a higher, which one is a lower? So case 1, efficiency of A. This is A, na? A greater than B. Second, A less than, okay, B. Third, efficiency A equal to efficiency B. Which one is a higher efficiency? This case, which case? Option 1, 2, 3. Which one? Type quickly. Case 2. So everyone opposite Santosh Sosi. So we can write it, rewrite also different way. How to rewrite this one? How to rewrite this one? So this you can write it. Efficiency B greater than efficiency of boiler A. Simple. So how is happening with using the air free heater? Then what is the formula? What is the formula? What is the formula? For efficiency A equal to output, okay. Keep it output. Input into 100. This is A, input A. Here efficiency B equal to output divided by input A minus air free heater energy. That means air energy. Air free heater use into 100. Finish it. Whatever the energy you have to minus, that is efficiency. Then automatically output no change, input change, automatically efficiency improve. Are you understand quickly? Yes, case 2. Okay. This is whatever the concept available now. I will convert to simple image. This is one of method I am always following. So who are the new student? Are you understand clearly? Whatever this is a concept. The paper to chapter 1, chapter 2, this is a simple concept. I explain simple way. Once you understand simple, this is a basic one, directly do the calculation. So is it possible to understand whatever theory, whatever thing, everything? Why I am doing this method? We can spend the time, same time you can spend the time, you can write it everything. This is a concept mapping method with using multicolor. So can you remember this one, this concept? Is it possible to remember this concept? So what explain I clearly? So this is a concept. So this, what are the concept? This is a concept mapping method. Next one is a mapping, mind mapping. So what is a mind mapping? So mind mapping. So now is a chapter, for example, chapter 2. So chapter 2, here what are the concepts? Simply explain here. What are the concepts I explained here? Boiler efficiency. Boiler efficiency. I explained boiler efficiency. Next one. So input energy. The concept. with the air free heater. So lot of things available. And if we related to the feed water, So whatever the concept available, I draw like that 1, 2, 3. Then if I done simple calculation, so suppose I prepare 24th exam, S1. I prepare this question, this S1, it's a direct method, DM. So direct method of efficiency. Then I mark it important. Different question means important. Otherwise, you can leave it. So this is a mind mapping. What is the main purpose? What is the main purpose, sir? All the concept one place. Revision time, only focus on the very important. Suppose air free heater is a saving, this is a fuel saving. The fuel saving very important with using the air free heater. So this is every time they're asking. Suppose, so 25th question, they're asking L loan. This is a very important different question. Sometimes they're asking book question. So book calculation also available. You can mark it book calculation. You can mention PDF or page number 234 like this. So mind mapping, the same thing you can utilize yourself also. Same thing you can utilize. So whatever the concept available, we are converting like that. I convert like that. This is a concept mapping method. Another mind mapping, I converting whatever all the concept one pages, you can revision very fast. So you can prepare Saturday, Sunday. Is it possible to quickly recall all the concept? This is a one-off method. So, but you have to understand how to continuously prepare. You can remember all the concept. Is it possible? You can remember all the, but you need to manage the timing. Stress management very important. How to do it, sir? Stress management. Is it possible to stress management? How to do it? Is it possible to manage your stress, your whatever thing? You have to manage yourself. The community. You have to remember long term. You have to connect with the people. Very, very important. So you have to manage the timing. You have to connect with the people. You have to discuss with the people. You are not preparing for 1 week or 1 month. You have to prepare for at least minimum 5 months, at least 4 months. Then how to continuously stay same places, your environmental only. So whatever our motivation, whatever our level, it's average of 5 people. This is the best example. Because they are sharing, we are implementing. So we have to learn together, grow together, build leadership, stay motivated. Continuously, our student always continuously focus on this thing. It's very important community. But you take your 100% responsibility, very important. You have to take control your life. Your journey is your responsibility. You are learning 80%. Sir, your learning is a 20%. Whatever I am teaching, this is a 20%. So 80% is your implementation. You are going to write examination. Then who will do it the practice? What are the practice you have to practice? What are the things you have to focus? Any idea? What are the things you have to focus, sir? The speed, the clarity, strategy, structure, retention, calmness. It's very, very important. This is 6 things you have to focus. Speed, very important. Clarity, whatever you have to do it. Structure, very important. Calculus, every calculus you have to form the structure. You have to remember the whatever the retention. And calmness. So real fact, what will happening in exam hall, we are already we have discussed. So whatever the concept coming, we are time management very important. Time, we are spending a lot of time. And whatever question you are reading, slow understanding. This is one of the problem. Calculation speed. We not practice with the calculator. With this also we need to practice. If you do yourself, you're stuck. And the formula recall. So revision very important. Concept clarity. So concept, how to understand the concept. If one time I teach you, you have discussed with people, then every time whatever thing you have to recall. Then eternity, this is a recall. You have to discuss with the people. And a diagram and answer the structure. So whatever the question, you have to draw the diagram. Diagram very, very important. Next formula. We have sample, whatever, we have different structure, every calculation. And you have to, some exam time, what will happening? Pressure and panic. So how to reduce? You have to overcome everything. Then only you can overcome the pressure and panic. Clear? This is a real one. This is a real thing. Okay, sir. We are not teaching. We are not. Can you see that? We are not using the PDF, not random classes. We are complete system, execution plan, and whatever teaching with using the concept mapping method. We are using the concept mapping method. I am using same diagram you are using writing. So this is how happening before and after. You confuse the clarity. You get the clarity. You have the structure system. You get the confident first attempts. You get the confident first attempts success. Now, how many people, the simple sample classes, how many people feel, is it possible to clear within one attempt, first attempt? Type yes or no. Yes, Narendra, okay. Thank you, Narendra. Yes, Narendra, okay, so many, okay. So only you focus, very important. You have to clear the first attempt, but more than certification, you have to understand all the concept. You have to recall the concept. You need networking. You need to connect with the people, right kind of people. So that is lead you everyday preparation. My community, everyday preparing. So morning also they have discussed, evening also they discuss, they follow with whatever structure they will follow. So how people need to connect with me? How people need to connect with me, sir? What are exactly we are following? So we are practice book calculation, the previous year question paper, and the whatever the concept, book concept, this concept clarity, whatever the concept available, we have to explain with multicolor. It's very important. Whatever the concept available is multicolor concept, and break down the simple visible. Now I have done the same thing. You can understand strong fundamental, no confuse. This is a concept clarity. And we are doing the book calculation, previous year question, 5 to 10 years, 5 to 8 years, pattern, you have to understand the pattern, every pattern very important, building solve confident, and we are using the mind mapping. So one match mind mapping you're using, quickly daily recall, so you can forget, no, never forget. So daily execution system, we have real examination. How to do the real examination? We have the separate application. Separate application. So one thing you have to understand, this is a 4 pillar, very, very important. What is a 4 pillar? Whatever the concept, very important. You have to recall all the information, one page is a mind mapping. So this is a 20%. You need to understand, this is a 20%. Remaining practice, your practice 80%, 5 mark, 10 mark, 25 mark, and consistently 1 hour per day. So this is everything happening in using the application and community only. Can you clear? We have separate application. What are things available? I will share to you. Okay. So last year we have output is a totally we get it 5 CM, 10 certificate energy manager. First attempt is a 4 CM, 7 CM. 4 CA, 7 CM. So one student, he cleared within 2 months, he cleared the certificate energy auditor. He cleared one student within 2 months certificate energy auditor. He follow the strategy, very important. He spent the time. How many people can you spend the time? 1 hour per day. It's very important. 1 hour per day. It is discipline, very important. We have separate application, time focused training, strong mentorship focused learning community. So we are using the scientific proven method, concept mapping and mind mapping. This is a result. So I will share just to go through it, all the things. Anyone go through this one, sir? Type yes or no. So he is, I already my past student. He is completed within 2 months certified energy auditor. He also is working in Canada. Now he is working in India. He doing the HVAC professional. He completed certified energy auditor first attempt. So first attempt, he also completed. He also certified energy. He is IIT student. He is IIT, not student. He is working for auditor. Now he energy manager. Now he connected with me for energy auditor. He also is a business strategy. He also working in the CG. He's all over India. He working for EV. So cooperation, sir. Now he preparing energy auditor with me. Last year he completed energy manager. So Prabhu sir explained. He is a professor, and he explained about how I am teaching. I will share the PDF just to go through it. So he is 𝐸𝐴𝐺 sir. So this also I will share how we will explain my teaching. He always sharing my post to the group. So this is our program. This is our program. So commitment based. You have to spend 1 hour per day. But you have to spend, once you spend the 1 hour per day, every day, automatically after 20 days, you fall in love, you can spend the extra time. Here available live record class available and concept mapping, real-time test. How to do the test? We have separate application. So separate application. So just I will give the access everything. Within time limit, you have to complete the assignment. How to do the assignment? We have the 4 option. You have to write it notebook. You have to select with a time limit. So 24/7 mobile application available. Android, iPhone, and web also available. Web means PC. So you can access multiple 1 mark, 5 mark, 10 mark. So continuous revision till exam. We have the doubt support. We have the weekly, we have session. Morning also, our people conducting session going on for revision, formula revision. Every day, 5:30, 6:30 they are doing. Okay, sir. So already I have explained about me. So no need again and again. So today's session, how useful for you, sir? So your result is very important. So utilize the timing. So your time, the 55 minutes, almost 50 minutes, how you feel about your feeling. I'm always focused on the feeling. Yes, sir. Super, sir. Narendra, sir. Okay, sir. Your feeling, always you check the feeling. If your feeling is very good, you feel attracted to people, you can take action. Otherwise, what will happen? You feel bad, you never take. Always feel your feeling every time, you have to check it. Your success depends on your feeling only, not your status. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sivamani. Thank you. Very useful, sir. So already our people available. So who are connect with me, sir? Who will connect with me? Who need my support? Type yes. We will discuss through the phone call. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So can you type your number, sir? Maybe we discussed before. So just one time I will confirm your number. Why I am asking the number? Yes. Okay. You are ready for that next step. So I have to spend the time quickly. Okay, sir. Narendra. Narendra, already we have discussed. Yes, sir. Okay, okay. And I have your number 9849046. Okay. Okay. Anyone people, sir? Anyone need? Anyone need your support? My support? You can use today offer, one offer available for May 1. That is useful for you. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Narendra is ready for me. Connect with me. Okay, only Narendra. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, sir. It's very useful for me. Recall my learning and teaching method also. I improve each and every day. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.